Volunteering brings us together, helping to shine that light. Sharing knowledge and experience with compassion and respect. A love of cultures, a love of people, really. It's about giving back. Mentoring, having women in leadership roles. It builds confidence, sets an example. We can turn that ripple into a wave. Motivation, pushing them on to be their best. Everywhere you look, you're surrounded by history. You can lose yourself a little down here. Being a role model for someone, sometimes that's all they get. A student that thought they couldn't do anything now believes they can achieve so much. Always, always different. It's important work, and every day brings a new challenge. Fresh air, sunshine, the people you meet, so many stories to tell. It can be stressful starting out. You don't know what lies ahead. Sharing experiences, what you've learnt, give them that support. It's a connection between all of us. Having the passion and enthusiasm to really make a difference. We want the next generation of leaders to be strong, confident, and resilient. Being part of something bigger, the bigger picture. Volunteering gives you that.